welcome back, lovelies and friends. Now we have Carlos, Jamaican Carlos. He's on here today, and he's licking out against the crab lady as well. No, Alice. As you know, as I said before, it's all over social media, and so everybody's taking their minds, speaking their minds about this thing. And so Carlos, he is very upset about this as well, because he's saying that her co-workers, they're not upset to the fact of what she did, but they're upset, that the lady recorded the incident. And so he's saying that, remember, this is food that we all ingest, and it's dangerous, that kind of stuff is dangerous around your food. And so he's making the remarks. He's saying we have a bigger problem. Jamaica has a bigger problem because we're not seeing basically the right thing to do. We're looking at the wrong side. And so he's saying, these people, those other co-workers, their faces should have been on the internet as well, because if they can uphold something like that, you never know. So go ahead and catch the video, and remember to like, share, subscribe, and comment on the channel. And remember that subscribing makes the channel go. So have yourselves a wonderful day.
Restaurant next door. I do this as something people tell me, say when discuss and come out and bonfire. Come here, man. Come here, man. In a one place where you hold on and sell flea market, and sell food, and sell the same thing. And is somebody pull this off in a them place. Remember you all do the same thing, And mad and angry. Remember you're supposed to be follow your hygiene step, and you're supposed to be clean too, So if you are a clean thinking person where I put clean food out to give the people, and you hear someone of your co-worker do this. Oh, mad. You never come out mad. The people them mad say them co-worker get busted. So that's a bigger problem we have, man. A bigger problem we have. They are angry that the co-worker got busted doing the do in the bucket. Them angry them co-worker got busted doing the wrong thing. Instead of being angry at her action. So it tell me the mentality of the rest of people who sell food out there. Say them come out in defense of the woman and want chastise the woman on the video. People, keep clear of them. Keep clear. I know Mr. Woman face alone for them on the social media. The whole of them come to think about it. Them want a mind change. A total mind change. Them mind want beat out like, beat out metal, put in the fire, and you beat it up on the anvil. And them want them type of thing there. Them brain bend up out there. Them brain warp. The whole of them. Them a bucket out there. And a shell out of the bucket. Jesus! I want in the bucket. Whatever in the bucket. Man, I eat that boy, Crab love certain things, some, when we come from, people feed crab with mango. People raise crab, they put mango in a drum and crab eat mango, but I whatever feed them crab there, pan, And, you have people at Jamaica raise crab too, You understand me? Remember somebody help more youth on my page to raise crab. Man really raise crab up on them page, and the teeth out in crab, Remember somebody earn some money on GoFundMe. I said go get the youth. Who remember that on Facebook? I did. Man raise crab at Jamaica. So even the outer crab season, the man have crab. Yes, man, real crab farm. And them stole the man crab farm and broke the man foot. And they look for some help for the man. They would remember that. Yeah, and so in this bucket, is only God can come tell me, say, something else tonight, like crab. Because for you to just drop it right there and comfortable with it, say something is going to clean up after you. So there's no worry about you. Whatever in there, they probably eat all the paper. You understand me? I say? So, and later on, once you look back in that bucket and say everything clean, it's time to go in the soup. So I'm just saying, is that an order from Mr. Amanda? Basically, in a work, because let me tell you something, people. And Carlos come on my page, I'm going to tell you all the time. Is that you see a lot of us will indulge in all type of things. People say this might be or be another thing there. Everybody may know indulge in everything. After time, it drop you and let you naked, strip you, disgrace you, mash up on your face, big time. maybe this is the time. I mean, people have said, boy, whole part thing I go on at the place, yeah, peer both them are playing up at each other. It's alleged. It's a peer over them I walk up at each other like a spot there. So it's how Jamaican people stay. We want to work that is that something for everybody. We want to try that far. So I mean, I'm just saying, anybody who feels them indulge in them thing that them sales are going and life is good at you because you are get it by some false means, one day you're gonna drop on their face, family. Everybody will know indulge in them thing there. One day them drop big time. And it's highly disgraceful most of the time for your world to see you when you drop big and both. So everybody feel the vibration, everybody have to look around, and them and know your fall. Me see this happen all the time. No matter in your secret life, or your secret society, or your secret world, when the fall come, people, it's public. I want you to understand that. It's always public. When time these people fall, no matter you see them secret and I do dibble and I dabble in the private, people when they fall, none of the public. Me and a man, but we can't see things. Them fall in the public where everybody can see. So for the people who doesn't come, I'm not trying to show say an action like this in a place where you cook. Especially a place where you have a thing named crab. My editor tell me say some crab they down in the bucket. I work with the sanitary department. Me feel say some crab they in the bucket. Believe me. And my other beef is with the other people out there. Because if you're there on a spot, that the whole out there sell, and want somebody would have violate the whole on a spot, so and no matter the one, come on, man. Come on, man. Come on, Jamaica. One out there with the bucket to violate everybody. You understand me? If a she alone do it out there, why the whole of not come against it? We not say it wrong. If we not say the rest of workers, the rest of people who cook out there, it seems as if they don't see the risk to public health. It seems as if they don't see the risk to public health. So my thing is, if this woman can be so comfortable to do that, that means that she has nobody to report to. And if somebody pass her and see her do it, then I say nothing. You know, think about that. I believe what she do out there, those out there in the home. So people, come on, man. Come on, man. Come on, man. In the collection, she gone a rest, she want locker room, but they want store room, and she gone on a corner and gone with people at the right brawl open, people open. Who does that? Know that your co-worker them they pass by your next man that sell crab and corn there, so everybody are busy, your people are move all about the place. I wonder how much time a day she do it. Eh? More have to know who else out there do it. Because if you don't find nothing wrong with this, it shed a new light right now, brother. But who else have bucket out there, family? Eh? This is not normal stuff, man. This is not normal for nobody to do that when they cook food. Unless you have other intentions. That me say. Jamaican an idiot. Enough street people out there, and they find a way to do them stuff. Yes, we beat the government, say the government should have given them bathroom, but enough street people out there turn up on their foot all day long. And then now go do them thing with them work, family. Look on them, man. This shit a bad light pan the man, them now nigga they a jerk all them chicken, I'll go buy my chicken them. The man they pan now man, the boulevard, they can come out of hotel any time of night, go get a nice jerk chicken pan the man, them pan the road down there. So, I mean, come on, man, you think jerk man, do that down and nigga them, man. I want to do, man. Big old people, I want to understand what happened here, so. Me talk about in a big, it's like in one classroom. And you alone in a classroom a police up, and no other student now do it. And you a police up, remember everybody have to see in a classroom, you know. Imagine if you in a classroom, I talk about a classroom, and you alone a police off. Don't you think you will draw attention because the other kids them think you're doing something wrong? If you're in a classroom doing something off, don't you think you'll draw attention because the other students in the class know that you're doing something wrong? And if you don't draw no attention from the students, then what that mean? That means at the norm. If you draw no attention doing something wrong in your classroom for the rest of students, what that mean? It's a normal day. So for the rest of students, them I come take up for you when you get busted because you do something wrong in your classroom. What that says about everybody. I wonder if they might do it too. I wonder if they might do it too, people. I hope not. Because it don't sound good and none of this is normal. None of this is normal. None of it. Nobody go to them workplace and your people, me not talk about the mechanic shop. You know, you think of a mechanic shop, the man, you know, a workshop or a body shop. People that talk about food. Food. There's no excuse to that. And you came out there and lie, talk about you drink salt and beer. But what you drink salt and beer every day because in order, like I several times I do it, the videos come out there in a different clothes. So every day you drink salt and beer to get this reaction, me don't understand. More clarity need to be have here because the woman says she drinks salt and beer. She never feel good. She cider hurt her. She drinks salt and beer. But every day you cider hurt you. Every day you drink salt and beer. Something that add up. And you want to maintain instead of apologize. And you come out and blame. She rude, not true. Are you serious? Who rude? The woman who take the picture to save us, the public, from this hazard who come to us, it's health hazard, or this epidemic, we can mash up Jamaica and mash up the health system when we don't have no hospital and anything, the lady. Then who is rude? You are the woman who take the picture. Oh my God. Reverse psychology. What do make no sense? Reverse psychology. She rude, not you. That you go do the do in the bucket. Now come to think about it, people come and look on it, you know. I mean, I pay attention to the thing, you know. I'm say, no man, that's in a height of nastiness. But man, describe the environment and the scenery at that time. You get up and you're right back to business as usual. It's like it's nothing. And you did no man. Come to realization of it, man. I fire burn fear for this, man. No man. No. You cannot serve to everybody. Yeah, man, the poor man have to live, man, I fight against the poor man, I get the poor a fight. Yes, poor people like you who indulge and stuff like that must get a fight. Just like the rich man who indulge and engage and stuff like that must get a fight from the public because it is wrong. How you mix this where you cook, man? They must soon in your kitchen, you know. Shouldn't you put on your kitchen, you know? Look come here talk about poor people. Eh? All poor people in Jamaica, they not indulge in this. Somebody put nastiness on poor, you know. I know the boy can go like some poor people nasty, you know. I don't know. No find a place nicer than some poor people, you know. Eh? Me remember when me young and me all live in an old boardhouse, you know. When we don't shine all in the floor, you know. Floors so shine all curtains are blow. Can I collect when you shine all your floor, all that I curtain breeze are blow to the house. More. Not true. Who remember the shine all your floor? Breeze are blow to the house more, all the curtains are blow, house nice and clean. We grow poor, but we clean all the bathroom, all the toilet out and those people clean. Sweep up all the yard and place nice. I want to go burn bush down so. We don't grow dirty and nasty. I want to talk about, we never do this around the kitchen place. So don't ever mix up poor people with nastiness. This is one special thing. This ain't no poor. I have nothing to do with poor. They have nothing to do. This is something special. This is a special operation going on there. And I'm thinking maybe some crab in the bucket. I'll take care of the sanitary cleanup. Because crab enjoy certain things. We all know that for a long time. Any Jamaica will tell us a crab eat what? Crab eat it. So if that's a mellow meal for crab, the last meal before the last supper, before I'm going to the pot, you know, the tasty with the celebrity and the tourist stop, because you see a tourist stop there, people. Fart. You see a tourist stop there, and the woman goes to their beer hand, you know, and the figure them like a mechanic. Well, I mean, I saw crab make your finger dirty. Hey, excuse me if I something about that. For ignorance, I beg your pardon. Me never know say crab make your finger dirty. So